Hello all, this is S.Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video, our students are going to discuss about design thinking framework and library management system. So let's discuss about library management system.
Hello, so I'm going to discuss about the problem statement faced here. So the problem statement discussed about is the library management system where we struggle to find the books. So this is discussed under the 5 stages of design thinking, which is empathy, define, ideate, prototype and evolve. So we are going to discuss the problem statement under these 5 stages, and it is going to be further explained by our teammates.
So now I am talking about empathy. This empathy was the common peoples are facing the problem. So the time complexity is more than used to library management. This problem to solve this.
So here the solution, I come up with a solution for this. As they said, it takes much time and it's clumsy to access the books which is in unsorted manner in a library. So to bring a solution, like how we arrange the values in a database, like MongoDB and SQL for same like this. So we take a department and the book which comes under the department will be arranged in a place like in a rack. For example, in a library we have a rack. We arrange all the books which is related to our department in a rack. And next comes the next rack, which consists of all the books related to that department. So the accessing time will be very easy. We can access the books quickly, so that noise and clumsiness will be reduced. So I think this is a better solution to avoid, as he said, time complexity. So to avoid that, this is a better way.
Hi guys, I'm here to explain about the applications of DBMS in a library management system. First, book catalog management and member management, transaction management, inventory control, reservation system and reporting and analytics.
So as she said, the applications is like we are going to create a table where it includes the rack details, department details and the book details. So when we are categorizing it as the department books and the rack numbers, so it will be easy for the members to access. And as our teammates explained, we are explained under the 5 stages, so which is like ideate, empathy. So empathy is explained by Praveen, and further we are explaining about the ideate and evolve and prototype. So when we are bringing the prototype, it is like designing a table, and under the tables we are giving details like rack numbers, like department book names. So it will be easier for the user to access the library. Thank you.
So as said by her, we take the different stages of design thinking, like empathy, define. Empathy is nothing but getting onto the field and taking a survey from the users. And as the next stage define, we'll be defining we go on to a survey, right? There, what are all the key features, and by brainstorming, what are the things we got as a main feedback from the users, we'll be defining that into a list. So which will be more easier to solve the problem. And next comes the solution and testing a prototype. After finding what the problem exactly is, so we come up with a solution for that, and we test it before launching everything, whatever it is. Before launching it to the users directly, we have to test it to find the flaws of that. So we'll be testing that, and we'll be more if there are any flaws and faults, we'll be rectifying that, and we'll be letting it to the market as a product or like an app.
Okay students, now how to explain how to create and how to maintain a database for library management system.
So create the table first to library management. So entity was book name, department, author name, serial number. Moreover, create to this table.
Okay. So how we have to avoid the duplicate data from the table?
Ma'am, using ISBN number, we can create a
Okay.
As she said, we are going to incorporate a unique key values, which is like giving a particular number for the book or for the department wise. So when we give a unique value in the table, it will be helpful to identify easier.
So like avoiding duplicate values in the sense we can use the comments to avoid the duplicate values, ma'am. So here like we can take author name because one author may write more than a book. So here the chances are like book name and author name maybe comes under this duplicate values.
So thank you students for discussing the design thinking framework on a library management system. Thank you.